Everyone, my FoxyFix order just arrived and I wanted to do my very first unboxing video, so let's hope it's good. I ordered a spice, Saffron, in a B6, which is number 5 in the Foxy scale. I've never had the spice leather before. I have had a couple sugar leathers and I've had Rowena from Foxy. I love the Rowena. It is very similar to me to the Chic Sparrow Outlander in Jitney Red, which is unfortunately discontinued, but that's my current everyday carry and my fave, so I was a fan of that. I wasn't so much a fan of the sugar leathers. They're just very, a little too buffed, a little too artificial for me. There's nothing with the quality, it's just not my style. I like a little more rustic leather. So we'll see how this turns out. I got a Lush Mulberry sample, which I don't love, in part because it's purple, which isn't my favorite, and also because it is very textured. And I like more rustic leather, but I don't love it really textured. So, but that's actually a relief because I've been really debating a Lush Black Beauty, even though I know I don't love textured leathers, but it just looks lush. And now I don't have to worry about that, and neither does my wallet. All right. So here we go. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, look at that. So, for anyone that's in the FoxyFix fans group, I don't know if, and probably on videos and things like that, but there's a lot of chatter around the spice leather's smoothness, and that was a concern for me when I was getting it. I thought I would want a smoother piece of leather. I knew that it was absolutely risky to get a more wrinkly one, but you know what, and I feel like this is a more wrinkly one, but I really don't mind it. I kind of like it. I think it works. It's still very smooth. It has smoother areas. I like the sound of that. I got a blind embossed K on the front and a gold FoxyFix Fox on the spine. And then I have dark red stitching and black elastic. I wanted the stitching to match as much as possible, and on the little sample picture, it looked like it would, and I think it does for anyone that was wondering. It blends in pretty nicely, so I would recommend that. I've seen this leather described as a reddish brown, but I really think it's orange. I think it's an orange. It's a very deep, rich orange, and I think it is just beautiful for fall. I got really excited. I painted my nails a coppery color to match, so we're gonna be twinsies. And then we have the jump band there. I got a card pocket on the front, none on the back. The Spice and Lush have these crisscross pockets, and then this big little pocket on the back, which I'm excited about. I don't know exactly how I'm going to use it, but I think it's interesting, so I'll figure it out. I think that I'm really a B6 size kind of girl. I scoffed at it when I first learned about its popularity, which was just so silly. But now I'm all about it. But before that, I did try a wide, which turned out to be, even though it's only an inch taller, it is too big for me. But I think this would be great for a wide, because a wide is roughly the height of the width of a piece of printer paper. So I think you could fit a full piece of printer paper, like a full document, in the back big pocket of a wide, which would be pretty fancy. Here, I'll have to fold it in thirds or something, but that's fine. The elastic is pretty tight, and they did that thing where, one thing I don't love about Foxy's is that they cut the elastic so short. I would love just a little bit of extra there. So I do have some extra black elastic, which I honestly may end up restrapping this with, because I would like it a little looser, and that just, how is that not going to come undone immediately? That just makes me nervous. But aside from that, Alright, well, I'm going to shift everything over from my current everyday carry into this guy, and I think I'm going to film that as well, so stay tuned, and thanks so much for watching.